In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix you cannot join cross-platform in Minecraft on the Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the full process of properly setting up cross-platform play on Minecraft if you are on the Nintendo Switch. So, the only prerequisite is that you have a Microsoft account connected. If you do not have a Microsoft account connected to your Nintendo Switch, you will not be able to do cross-platform. The simplest way to do this is to open the game and look at the bottom left corner of the main menu. If you see a button that suggests that you have the option to sign in with a Microsoft account, then all you have to do is click that button and instructions are going to appear on your screen like so. When you follow the website displayed there, you will be able to go to this page where you can input the code that is currently being displayed on your Nintendo Switch. Now, because of the way that I'm recording this, I won't be able to show you this full process, but after you include the code, the Nintendo Switch is going to get detected by the web browser, and you will get the option to sign in with a Microsoft account for the link to be established. Now, once you are done with this process, or assuming that you already have the Microsoft account link established, the next thing to check is to go over to the settings, go to account, and double check here. If everything looks okay, switch over to General and you will find the option to enable cross-platform play. Double check that to see if it is enabled, and if it is, the only last thing that you have to do is go over to Play, switch over to Friends, and in here you will be able to add your friends. You will notice that I am recording this video on my PC, but don't worry, the process is going to be exactly the same for Nintendo Switch. You will be able to type out the gamer tag, meaning their Microsoft account name, and send them a friend request over here. Once you send the friend request, they will get a notification, you will be able to add them to your friends list, and afterwards, if they are online while you are playing Minecraft, they are going to appear here. You can join their worlds, or you can go ahead and join any of your worlds and they will be able to join you, even on different platforms, because like I said, all that you have to use to play together is the Microsoft account name. And everyone is going to be connecting a Microsoft account in order to play even on different platforms, so you can find your friends that are playing on different consoles. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix you cannot join cross-platform Minecraft Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.